Welcome to the new world of Vaporfection.
Congratulations on becoming part of the new world of Vaporfection. Thanks for purchasing the viVape. The viVape is the most advanced herbal delivery system on the planet. You're just minutes away from the cleanest, healthiest, and smartest vaporizer experience on the market. To get started, carefully remove your viVape from its package by sliding the sleeve off the main box and remove the protective clear cover from your viVape. Carefully remove the viVape from its nest and proceed to remove the protective shipping bag. Next, remove the plastic tray, which will expose the lower storage tray containing all of your viVape attachments. Be careful with the glass components as they can break easily. Now remove and attach the accompanying power cord into the viVape and plug it into your electrical receptacle. Once your viVape touchscreen illuminates, press the on button, which will bring you to the timer screen. On the timer screen, you may use the plus or minus buttons to set your default shutoff time, then press set. This will bring you to the wand or whip or bag or balloon selection screen, which is where you'll choose your preferred method of vaporizing. The viVape is designed for both bag or balloon and wand or whip use. Set it and forget it is an exclusive Vaporfection feature that applies to every adjustable element of your viVape. It means that every previously selected adjustment, such as time, temperature, wand or whip, bag or balloon, will remain programmed to that selection every time you plug it in or turn it on, until you choose to change the selection, as shown here. The first method of inhalation we're going to show you is the wand or whip method. The viVape is factory preset to vaporize at a target temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The temperature indicator will change from blue to green once your desired temperature has been reached. The blue light within the glass heating chamber will also illuminate when your viVape is ready for use. While your viVape heats up, assemble your wand kit. First, slide the 1-inch clear tube heat guard and safety cover over the medical tubing. Use the tubing to connect the mouthpiece and the glass herbal container or whip. It's a good idea to moisten both glass pieces for easier insertion. The herbal container or whip comes pre-assembled with a screen. Place a new screen into the top of the herbal container whip and use your stir stick to push it into place below the 3 little glass prongs in the herbal chamber, used to keep the screen in place. Slide the heat guard over the joint between the tubing and the herbal container or whip. We highly recommend the use of the Vaporfection herbal grinder for a better aroma, flavor, and vapor. Inhale from the mouthpiece to create suction to load the herbal material into the herbal chamber. The wand kit serves as the perfect vacuum to load your herbal material into the glass container or whip. And now you're ready to begin vaporizing. Proceed to insert the whip's ground joint into the heating chamber. Inhale slowly and deeply from the mouthpiece for 8 to 10 seconds. Repeat as necessary until the desired vapor experience is achieved. Between these inhalations, it is recommended to remove the herbal container from the heating chamber, using the safety cover to do so. You can adjust the unit's temperature setting to your desired vapor preference. Decreasing temperature weakens the vapor, while increasing it makes it stronger. To change the viVape's temperature setting, simply select which temperature you'd like to change, wand or bag. Next, touch the temperature area above the off button. Simply select Fahrenheit or Celsius, then adjust to the desired temperature with the plus or minus buttons and press set, which will immediately bring you back to the wand and bag selection screen. Occasionally, use the provided stir stick to loosen the herbal material to obtain maximum vapor flow and quality. Once you've finished your vaporizing session, remove the whip from the chamber and press the off button. Do not unplug the unit while the screen reads "Cooling down, do not unplug." Once the wand kit is removed from the viVape, the used herbal material in the herbal chamber can be discarded by blowing through the mouthpiece into a waste container. You should never blow through the mouthpiece while the wand kit is attached to the heating chamber, as this can cause permanent damage to the heating chamber. Another way to use the viVape is with the bag or balloon method. Attach the vapor valve onto the enclosed custom-made bag, securing it in place with a tie wrap. The vapor valve is so easy to use it can be controlled with one hand. Push green to open and red to close the vapor passage to the balloon. Next, insert the glass whip into the end of the silicone tubing. Proceed to load the glass herbal container or whip with your ground herbal material using suction from the other end of the medical tubing. Press the bag balloon button on the viVape display. The preset temperature is 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Moisten the tip of the vapor valve and insert it into the other end of the silicone tubing. Push the green button in on the vapor valve to the open position. Once your desired temperature is reached, insert your loaded whip into the heating chamber and allow approximately 1.5 minutes for the bag to fill. If the vapor is weak, increase your target temperature by using the on-screen display to adjust your settings. Close the valve by pushing the red button in once the bag is filled with vapor, and remove the glass whip from the heating chamber. Remove the whip and hose from the vapor valve and bag. Use the inlet portion of the valve to inhale the vapor from the bag by, once again, pushing green to open the vapor passageway from the balloon. If your unit is operating in a manner different than demonstrated, please email support@vaporfection.com. We can also be reached at 1-866-997-6111. Thanks again for purchasing the viVape from Vaporfection, the world's most advanced dual-purpose digital touchscreen vaporizer. Be sure to visit vaporfection.com for the latest info on all our revolutionary products, such as the MyVape, a true pocket-sized battery-powered vaporizer due to arrive this summer. You can also connect with us and other Vaporfection users on Facebook and Twitter for the best herbal use community on the web.